Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable RCS messaging on iPhone. RCS messaging, which enhances iPhone to Android texting with high-resolution media, typing indicators, read receipts, is available on iPhone since iOS 18, but not every carrier supports this feature. And if you want to know if yours does and if you can enable this on your iPhone, you're gonna have to go to Settings on your device, then navigate down to the Apps menu, and in Apps menu find Messages application under the M letter, of course. Here it is. Open it, then navigate down to Text Messaging, and in Text Messaging category, right above MMS Messaging, you should be able to see RCS Messaging, and if you see it, open this menu and toggle this feature on. Unfortunately, I don't have this feature available for my carrier, therefore I cannot show you exactly how you do it, but I hope you'll figure it out. So basically just open the RCS Messaging menu and toggle on the only toggle that is available in there. And that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.